Hey there, viewers! In this video, you'll discover the 11 reasons to drink guava leaf tea daily.
Are you tired of feeling sluggish and unwell? Do you want to unlock the secrets to optimal health and vitality? Look no further than the ancient wisdom of guava leaf tea. Guava is a popular tropical fruit, enjoyed for its sweet and refreshing taste. But few people realize that the leaves of the guava plant also offer a wealth of health benefits. Guava tree, native to Central and South America, is valued for its edible fruit and medicinal properties. The sweet and musky scented fruit is enjoyed fresh or incorporated into a variety of culinary preparations, such as refreshing beverages, flavorful jams, and other delectable treats. Beyond its delightful taste, guava has been traditionally used in herbal medicine, with both its leaves and fruit being recognized for their therapeutic potential. Guava tea has been used for centuries by traditional healers, and now modern science is finally catching up. Get ready to be amazed as we unveil the 11 mind-blowing health benefits of guava leaf tea that will transform your life. Trust us, your body will thank you for this incredible discovery. So, make sure to watch until the very end. Before we dive into the incredible health benefits, let's take a closer look at what makes guava leaves so special. According to cutting-edge research, guava leaves are packed with essential minerals and vitamins, including calcium, potassium, sulfur, sodium, iron, boron, magnesium, manganese, and vitamins C and B. This powerful combination of nutrients is the key to unlocking the full potential of your health. Without further ado, let's jump in. 1. Manages diabetes. If you're pre-diabetic or have mild diabetes, listen up. Guava leaf tea could be the natural solution you've been searching for. Studies have shown that drinking this tea for 12 weeks can lower blood sugar levels without increasing insulin production. It also prevents the absorption of sugars like sucrose and maltose, helping to keep your blood sugar stable. The powerful compounds in guava leaves, such as flavonoids, tannins, and polyphenols, have been studied for their anti-diabetic properties. Take control of your diabetes naturally with guava leaf tea. 2. Lowers cholesterol. Did you know that high cholesterol is a silent killer? It can lead to heart disease, stroke, and other life-threatening conditions. But fear not, guava leaf tea is here to save the day. Studies have shown that drinking this incredible tea can significantly lower your LDL, bad cholesterol levels, helping to keep your heart healthy and strong. Say goodbye to worrying about your cholesterol and hello to a healthier, happier you. 3. Help keep your heart healthy. Your heart is the most important muscle in your body, so it's crucial to keep it healthy and strong. Guava leaf tea is loaded with antioxidants and vitamins that protect your heart from damage, lower harmful cholesterol levels, and prevent blood clots. Plus, the potassium and fiber in guava leaves provide additional support for your cardiovascular system. Show your heart some love by adding guava leaf tea to your daily routine. 4. Boosts brain health. Do you ever feel like your brain is in a fog? Struggle with memory or concentration? Guava leaf tea is the ultimate brain booster. Packed with vitamins B3 and B6, this powerful tea can enhance cognitive function, improve blood circulation to the brain, and even calm your nerves. Get ready to experience mental clarity like never before. 5. Promotes weight loss. Are you tired of struggling with stubborn weight gain? Guava leaf tea could be the answer to your prayers. This incredible tea is known for its appetite-suppressing and metabolism-boosting properties, making it easier for you to shed those extra pounds. Plus, the high fiber content in guava leaves will keep you feeling full and satisfied, reducing those pesky cravings. Get ready to say goodbye to yo-yo dieting and hello to a slimmer, healthier you. 6. Relieves menstrual pain. Ladies, listen up! If you suffer from painful menstrual cramps, guava leaf tea could be the natural remedy you've been dreaming of. Studies have shown that guava leaf extract can significantly reduce the intensity of menstrual cramps, providing much-needed relief. Simply boil 5-6 fresh guava leaves in a liter of water for 15 minutes and drink 1-2 cups daily to prevent painful periods. Say goodbye to over-the-counter pain medications and hello to the soothing power of guava leaf tea. 7. Strengthens immunity. In today's world, a strong immune system is more important than ever. Guava leaf tea is your secret weapon for boosting immunity and fighting off harmful germs. Packed with vitamin C, this incredible tea helps your body become more resilient and better equipped to defend against infections. Drink guava leaf tea regularly, and you'll notice fewer sick days and faster recovery times. Give your immune system the support it needs with this amazing superfood. 8. Reduces stress and anxiety. In today's fast-paced world, stress and anxiety can take a toll on our mental and physical health. But did you know that guava leaf tea is a natural stress buster? Packed with antioxidants and magnesium, this incredible tea can help calm your nerves, promote relaxation, and improve your overall well-being. Sip on guava leaf tea daily and watch your stress melt away. 9. Improves eye health. Your eyes are the windows to your soul, so it's essential to keep them healthy and strong. Guava leaves are rich in vitamin A, which is crucial for maintaining good vision. Drinking guava leaf tea regularly can help improve your eyesight, prevent eye-related conditions, and avoid vision problems down the line. Protect your precious sight with the power of guava leaf tea. 10. Enhances hair and skin health. Want to achieve that coveted glow without expensive beauty products? Look no further than guava leaf tea. Packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents, this incredible tea can help fight skin aging, reduce acne, and promote a clear, radiant complexion. But that's not all. Guava leaves can also work wonders for your hair. Apply guava leaf tea topically as an herbal shampoo to promote hair growth, or massage the boiled leaves onto your scalp to prevent hair loss. Get ready to turn heads with your stunning skin and luscious locks thanks to guava leaf tea. 11. Potential cancer-fighting properties. Studies have shown that guava leaf extract may have anti-cancer effects. Test tube and animal studies suggest that it can prevent and halt cancer cell growth, likely due to its high levels of antioxidants that protect cells from damage. One test tube study even found guava leaf oil to be 4 times more effective at stopping cancer cell growth compared to certain cancer drugs. However, more research is needed to confirm these effects in humans. While the results are promising, further studies are necessary before making any claims about guava leaves' role in cancer treatment. Nonetheless, the potential anti-cancer properties of guava leaves are intriguing and warrant further exploration. Now that you've discovered the incredible health benefits of guava leaf tea, it's time to take action. Incorporate this amazing superfood into your daily diet by crushing the leaves in salads, using them as seasonings, or brewing a delicious healing tea. How to prepare guava leaf tea. Start by placing a pan over medium heat and pouring in 1 liter of water. Allow the water to come to a gentle boil, then carefully add 6 fresh guava leaves to the simmering liquid. Continue to boil the leaves until the water reduces to about 1/3 of its original volume, which will result in a concentrated guava leaf extract. Once the desired concentration is achieved, remove the pan from the heat and strain the tea, separating the leaves from the liquid. Allow the guava leaf tea to cool down to room temperature before consuming. For optimal benefits, it is recommended to drink this tea twice daily, allowing your body to fully absorb the natural goodness of guava leaves. What are the potential risks and side effects of guava leaf? Guava leaf extract is a natural remedy with many potential benefits. It's important to be aware of some precautions. The extract contains certain compounds that may trigger skin irritation, particularly in individuals with pre-existing skin conditions like eczema. If you have sensitive skin or eczema, it's wise to use guava leaf products with caution and perform a patch test before applying them to larger areas of your skin. Another important consideration is for people with diabetes. Guava leaves have been shown to have blood sugar lowering effects, which can be beneficial for managing diabetes. However, if you are already taking medication to control your blood sugar levels, using guava leaf products could potentially lead to hypoglycemia, low blood sugar. To ensure your safety, it's crucial to monitor your blood sugar closely if you choose to incorporate guava leaves into your diabetes management plan. As with any new addition to your health regimen, it's always best to consult with your healthcare provider before using guava leaf extract, especially if you have specific health concerns like skin sensitivities or diabetes. They can provide personalized guidance on whether guava leaves are appropriate for your individual needs and how to use them safely. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have something to add, please share it with us in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up and share the link with your family and best friends so they also know all the guava leaf tea benefits.
If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe to support our growth and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next video.
To gain further insights into naturally healing your body and preventing undesirable illnesses, you may also find some other helpful videos popping up on your screen right now that you'll surely find interesting. Together, we can transform our health one sip at a time.
Thank you for watching. Take care and see you in the next video.